Good evening all. And here, Father is teaching us to how to fall in love with OET. And Edu Skills International is a non-profit platform, which means no payment for any sessions. And this is the one is the signature of Edu Skills platform is smile. And you keep your smile always, even in the Zoom session, or you are going to the patient care, whatever, wherever it is, keep smile on your face. So keep our signature always smile. Then our mission is empower each other and grow together. And you can see here the hands, it means the many health professionals, they are holding their hands together, then they are growing together. So we want everyone to help each other. The same time, you can also grow. So this is the Edu Skills admin panel members. So our mentor is Father Saleen Joseph, as you all know. Father is a Cambridge certified teacher, and he has a unique teaching style. And if you definitely follow the strategies and tips, whatever Father is teaching to us, you can crack the OET and for the aim for the grade A, and it will be help for your future. Because once I was also thinking this for the entry exam for the working in the Europe countries, it's not like when you have planned to develop your career or you are going to do some studies or anything, whatever you are learning from the Father, this all helpful for you. So follow the strategies and tips from the Father. Then our founder is Miss Soumya Sham. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the Edu Skills platform is started because this is initiation of the Miss Soumya Sham. She is the one who think about this platform, and so that's why she is the founder, and she gave an idea about the Edu Skills platform. Then our chief admin is Miss Sunitha D. Then there are another admin members, Arya Anand, Anida Lobo, Mary Joseph, Priya Thomas, Asha Joshi, Sumi Pradap, Ashwati, Sonia Matthew, Manju, Neha, Misha, Shanmuga, Anjali, Shabari Krish, Alinda, and myself. So if you want to contact any admins, you can message them, or it's better to leave a message on the main platform. I want to talk with the admins, or you want to convey. Because sometimes if you are sending the message, they may not see all the time because they are also they are busy with something else or they are doing some work. So that's why they are delayed to reply to you. So it's better if you leave a message on the main platform, any of the admins will see and they will contact you.